Okay, so here we have a complete solution for a pneumatic piston setup. It has the Odie's complete safety two-hand control system on it with the status light, e-stop reset, complete in Lexan. It has the lockout valve, separator, regulator, lubrication, a safety pneumatic valve, and control, which feeds up to the header, so you can plug in your assembly piston setup with the locking rolling casters in the forward. So simply plug it in there down to your test unit, and you got an aluminum plate to mount anything you want there. So e-stop conditions, we'll lock it out, and then you want to just cycle the two-hand. Yeah. So that's green, retracts after 3 seconds, and if you hit one, it won't let you. It'll say it's a fault. It has to be two-hand controls. And that is a complete enclosure, two-hand control safety system from Odie's.